to my channel Shreeval's Vlogs. So today I am going to do a tutorial of making fridge magnets at home. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so our fridge magnets will be made in just under ₹50, means all our materials will come under ₹50. So here are the materials. First and the main thing is our magnets. So this pair of magnets you can get in any gift shop and these are of 10 rupees per pair. Second main thing is our fevicryl molded clay. You can get easily in any stationery shop and it is of 20 rupees. The third and the very commonly used this is our fevicol, which you can get very easily in any stationery shop in India and it will come under 10 to 20 rupees. And the last but not the least, it is our talcum powder. Here I am using Pond's talcum powder. You can use any of it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we have to do here is take both equal parts of fevicryl molded clay and mix them together as shown here. So I have taken first part of it and then I am adding a hardener. Okay, and here on the surface we'll spread some talcum powder to smooth the area and then mix the both equally. Okay, so I am here taking a little bit powder on my hand also to smooth them equally. You have to mix it until you can see a clear white part. And yes, also note it down that after mixing this hardener with the normal molded, you can just shape it for a little time, then it will get hard, just like a stone, then you cannot do anything with it. Okay, so here I am making avocado. For that I will need a rolling pin. Okay, for shaping the avocado, I am here using a blues bottle as a rolling pin and slightly roll it down. And here we have to just make a shape of avocado and just pinch it like this and just smooth it from the surface. You can also press it with fingers for making it really smooth. Okay, so try and shape it until you get the perfect shape like this. And also the removed part, and we had removed a little bit part from this to make the seed of it. Okay, so I'm here rolling in circle and just pressing it down on avocado. After painting, it will look much more nicer. So this type of thing you will get in the end. Okay, so I'm here keeping in the side for it to get hardened. Till then I'm making the next one. So here, okay, so I'm here starting to making my second magnet structure. So here I'm using Nutella's bottle, mini bottle I'm making here, and I have mixed the two parts of the clay here and just giving a shape like it. So our Nutella's bottle is shaped like two slanting lines, two middle lines and one horizontal line. So let's see how I make it. so here we are doing 2 slanting lines, 2 straight lines and 1 horizontal line. I am perfecting it and showing you afterwards. And yes, also take out a small part from the clay from starting for making its cap. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this type of shape you will get at the end, and now I am making the cap of it from the material we had taken out from the clay. And just roll it in a circle and roll like this. Okay, so I just rolled that small part and fix it like this on its top. So at the end you will get this type of material, means shape, and I am also keeping it for drying. Now the last thing I am going to make is a coffee mug. So you will be thinking, how will I make coffee mug from this clay? Okay, so follow the steps and you will get to know. Okay, so here I've mixed both the clays and I'm going to make a coffee mug. So for this you will have to roll the clay and do it very flat, and also take out a little bit part from it for making handle. Okay, so I'm rolling it again. Roll it very flat so your clay will be more big. Okay, here I am flattening it with my hands. You can also use rolling pin and flatten it. Now we will give it a shape. Apply powder on both sides so it will get smooth. Now we are flattening the edges. For this, first we have to make a rectangle like this. I am here using scale for shaping it in a proper way. Now select one side as bottom and one side as the front. Okay, so I have selected this side as a bottom one, and I am going to shape its edges in curve. You can pause or repeat this video for getting to know how to do. Okay, so here it is done. Okay, so the final shape is like this. This is the upper one and this is the bottom one. Now we will make the handle. From the leftover part we had removed. So just roll it down like this, or you can also do it with your palm. And just stick to it one of the sides. And take care that you have to stick the handle on the back side of it. You can draw the handles with your fingers if you want. Okay, so our shape is ready now. Okay, so here is the final mug. Okay, I am keeping it for drying for some time so it will get hardened. Okay, I'll meet you all soon after some time. If after it get hardened, then we will paint it. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so first I had made this bread shape, and this has been hardened now, and even our avocado is little bit hardened. So first I will paint this bread and then avocado and then the both Nutella and the mug. Okay, so for this I am taking both acrylic paints and poster colors. So here I am taking poster yellow ochre and white paint. Okay, so I will meet you all soon after painting this everything. Okay. Okay, so I have painted here my all 4 magnets. So they are this first one bread, the second one mug, the third one Nutella, and the fourth and the last one avocado. Now only magnets are left to be attached here. So I will show you how to attach them. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so this way you have to apply glue here and then attach the magnets and let it to dry. Okay, so after this we have finished our making magnets, and then I will show you how I have attached it on my fridge. Okay, so bye bye.